Hey, it's Dale with Sasquatch Heat Pumps. We're your Vancouver Island home comfort experts. From cold winters to hot summers, we bring legendary service and comfort right to your door. Today, we're looking at a centrally ducted Fujitsu system here in Victoria, and I'm just going to show you a little bit about what we do and what you're actually looking at. We have your air handler here, you have a coil on the bottom, and your blower motor on the top. These lines are your liquid and suction lines. This is how your refrigerant moves to and from your outdoor unit. So what you can't see on the frame here is these lines run up, they run through the ceiling, into the garage, and then out to your outdoor unit. Down here you have your drain. Now your drain, if you have a floor drain, which again, a little bit out of the photo here, is we can run this by gravity. You see how it runs through. You have a small P-trap, and then it runs down and into the floor drain. This unit will produce condensation when it is in cooling mode in the summers, so you need a place to run that condensation. Now, if you don't have a floor drain, what you do is you bring a pump in. So instead of having this run to a floor drain, right about there, this would run into your pump, and then we put another line that would run to the exterior of the home, and it would pump the condensation from your summer cooling outside. Down here, we have our filter rack. So this is a manufacturer spec filter rack. This is where you change your filters. So you can see they slide in and out. Right. You've completed working filter. Now you always want to check your filters monthly to make sure they're not getting too dirty. You can see here, this one is nice and clean. So we can put that back in. We've checked it for the month and off we go. It's a simple door, flips up and slides in. Sometimes they're a little bit finicky, but you meet it through and it will slide in. Make sure that door is shut so the seal's there so you're not sucking the air in from outside. So on landing this air handler, what we have done is you run custom sheet metal. This is your return air. It runs down and then it's fed in through the bottom of the unit, and then your supply runs out the top. So this was a simpler transition. We didn't have to do any big angles or anything. It fit in, and then you just seal it nicely with your tin tape there. On the side here was a little bit more. You bring down and you put it on your platform so that the airflow runs in through there. If you've seen a gas furnace before, most times your return air is coming in the side, and that's just because they're built a little bit differently. On a gas furnace, you'll have your blower in the bottom and your heat exchanger at the top. Whereas on your heat pumps are a little bit different, where you have your heat exchanger on the bottom and your fan on the top. So to get maximum airflow over your coil, you want that air running in through the bottom.